So hey guys, and welcome again. Today I'm going to check the battery of my Nissan Magnite. My car is little over 2 years old, so I have already hooked my multimeter to the positive and negative terminals of the car. So first I'm going to check the static current, which it is going on the showing on the surface, and then I'm going to see the drop on the at the self when I'm starting the car, and then the charging current. So my car is little over 2 years old, and sometimes I'm feeling the trip meter is already automatically going to zero. So it is one sign that the battery is getting weak. So let me see how much current it is showing. So we have to turn it to 20 volts. So on 20 volts on surface, the current is okay. It is 12.45. So now let me just check how much is the drop when I crank the engine. So I am turning on the ignition, and on the ignition start you can see that current is already dropping. It means that the battery is getting weak. So let me just give it a self and see how much it drops. It should not be dropping below 10 V. So now I'm going to give the ignition. So did you notice that it dropped below 10? It means that it is already getting weak. So now I'm going to check the charging current. So the engine is on and the current is going up. It means it is charging well. It means that the alternator and the rectifier is working fine. And let me just rev it up, and the charging current should not be going above 15. It should be remaining under 15, around 14.5 or 15. If it goes above 15, then it means that the charging is not correct. It is overcharging the car. But since the current is dropping below 10, yeah, I noticed it's dropping below, it's dropping to around 9 point something, and it means that my battery is getting weak. So it is soon to be time to change my battery. So I have turned off the engine of my car. So now you can see that the on surface it is showing 12.4, and when I first hooked it up, it is already showing above 12 V. So it is a healthy sign. But as soon as I turn the ignition on, it is going below 12. So it is already a point of concern that it is going below 10, because the ignition is taking some power from the battery. And when I am giving the crank, then the current is dropping below 10. So it is fluctuating because the wires are getting loose. So now it is stable now. So if the so the point is, if the volts drops below 10, around 10, 10.5, 11, it is a healthy sign that the battery is okay when you are giving self, when you are cranking the engine. But if it drops below 10, then it means that it is getting very weak. So you should probably get it checked and get it replaced as soon as possible. Otherwise you will be stranded in middle of a road with a weak battery or a dead battery. So thanks guys, and thanks for watching.